Libraryplus is one of the best collections of 3D models of UPVC pipes and fittings, which has been fully synchronized in SolidWorks software for the first time. This collection includes 786 3D models of the most commonly used UPVC pipes and fittings. It will allow you to do your plumbing projects with high precision and speed in SolidWorks software. This collection includes the most common UPVC fittings with metric standards such as elbow. Just specify your default elbow for the software and pipe easily. If you need to use another elbow, drag and drop it in your position. If you change the size of the pipe, all the connections in that path will be the same size automatically. In this part, 8 commonly used elbows are placed, which are a total of 82 3D models. T and cross. It will definitely be a pleasure for you to be able to easily put any new connections you need on your pipelines. Adapter and reducer socket R and RP. This is a unique event in SolidWorks software, that you can easily have 310 3D models of all kinds of adapters and draw a project completely in accordance with reality. Reducing bush and socket. Flange. Cap. Safe block water ball valves. Solvent cement hose adapter. Butterfly valves in kits. Flow indicator. Union. Also, you can easily extract the final maps along with the BOM of the parts. All these connections are easily available to you with just one drag and drop. All pipes and fittings are modeled with high precision according to standard dimensions and with very high quality, which will create accuracy and beauty for your project. Flexibility in design will allow you to design the most optimal plumbing system and enjoy your projects, and present a perfect design to your employers as soon as possible. Just add Libraryplus to your SolidWorks, make piping, add different connections and valves to your piping, easily change your route and sizes, and discover your desired design. The necessary trainings have been placed on the site, and in case of problems or any questions, you can easily contact your support and use this collection without worry. Along with this file collection, all 3D models in step format are available to you, which can be accessed in other software.